Hello, everybody. We have another English lesson for you today. In this video, we are going to teach you some ways to make a request and give permission. Making a request means asking someone to do something or asking to be able to do something. Giving permission means saying yes or no to someone's request. Please enjoy. Would you? Can you? Could you? These are all ways you can ask someone to do something for you. All three can be used the same way. Would and could are more polite, and can is more casual. May I? Can I? These are both ways to ask to be able to do something. May I is more formal than can I. Yes, you may. This is a more formal way of giving permission. Sure, go ahead. This is a more casual way of giving permission. Yes, please. This is a way of accepting help from somebody. No, I'm sorry, but these are different ways of rejecting requests. No, thank you. This is a way to reject an offer to help or give you something. Now, let's watch some examples.
Rose, could you open the door for me?
Sure.
Thanks.
No problem. What are you working on, Jose?
I'm working on lesson plans.
Can I help you with anything?
Yes, please. Could you help me make some activities?
What are you working on, Jose?
I'm working on lesson plans.
Can I help you with anything?
No, thank you. I should be finished soon.
Class, our lesson for today is about Philippine flag. So Philippine flag has 4 colors. All right, yes, ma'am.
May I go to the bathroom?
Yes, you may. Philippine flag has 4 colors: red, blue.
Hey, Matt. Would you look at this lesson plan for me? I want to make it more interesting.
I can look at it, but I am a bit busy today.
That's not a problem. Any time is okay.
We should have a small party to welcome Maya to Narikoku.
Ooh, that's a great idea. But where will we have the party?
Can we do it at your place? You have the biggest apartment.
I'm sorry, but we can't have a party at my apartment this week.
Oh, hey, Maya. Can I use this computer?
Sure, go ahead.
Thanks.
I hope that you enjoyed today's video about making requests and giving permission. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know. See you next time.